today we're headed to pick up two male adult cancer patients. Not for sure what the cancer is yet. We've got a red Ferrari, a 488 Ferrari, I believe it is, coming with us, thanks to Justin. And we're pretty excited about this. And I see a bunch of camera people already looking at us, so they knew we was coming also. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You'll see a lot of different exotic cars and see a lot of stories about cancer patients. And we're here. Hey, here we go.
You're awesome today. Ooh, I got goosebumps. I'm Courtney's mama, Melissa. Hey, look, Hart. This is our rider today, Mr. Bruce.
Hey, Bruce, how are you, babe?
And we got a lot of people here today. We got his lifelong friends, Cindy and Freddie Baker, and
Howdy.
this is Mr. Roy Cantrell. This is his dad right here.
Nice.
And Bruce
You're the one that said, what is a Lamborghini? I thought you was joking.
Well, this is awful cool of y'all.
Hey, Justin.
Hey,
How are you, buddy? Thank you for coming. Thank you for bringing out your super sweet Ferrari. And
What model is this one?
it's a F8 Tributo,
What year?
2022.
Goodness gracious. You're still bringing it in, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
We'll go do for getting a non-hybrid.
But you're still planning on driving and racking up the miles, huh?
I'm probably gonna keep that one. I think it's gonna go up in value instead of down for sure.
Bruce, come look. It's pretty.
Here you go. You can open the door.
you go on your Lamborghini ride. Could you tell me what kind of cancer you was diagnosed with?
Pancreas and liver.
In the river.
Okay, you want to come help? You want to come in here and help?
Well,
So,
he can hear me from you.
okay.
In the river.
You did what?
Cancer, pancreas.
It's pancreas and the liver.
Yeah.
And how long ago was you diagnosed with it?
Back in March.
Back in March.
Okay. And is what stage are you in? I think you said you was in stage 4?
Yeah, stage 4.
Stage 4, okay. Are you doing any kind of chemo treatments? Or?
Yeah.
And do you know what kind of chemo you're on?
No, we don't know
We don't
what
know
the
what
name
that
is.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 59.
59. You don't look 59. I hope I look 59 when I'm your age.
Yeah.
So are you excited about this ride?
Yeah.
How did you find out about it?
By John Willie.
Okay. Excellent. Well, let's go get that ride for you today. There you go.
Wait, Bruce.
Bruce, give me a thumbs up, buddy. Do it again, I missed it. I got you, buddy.
Hey, y'all gonna let Bruce ride? Hi, Bruce.
Hey.
It's recording now.
You're on camera,
It's on
buddy.
360.
Yep.
Have fun.
Have fun.
You ready, Bubba? So you said you was 59, Bruce?
Yeah.
Man, you don't look 59 at all. You work anywhere?
No.
No working. Did you work?
No, you never will.
Never worked?
No.
Man, you was living the retired life from the beginning, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Well, did you ever think you'd be in a Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Did you even know what a Lamborghini was?
Yeah, I knew what one was.
You knew what one was?
Yeah.
Your dad did not. I called your dad and he's like, "What do you know what a Lamborghini is?"
Yeah. He didn't never did it.
He thought it was a joke. And I thought he was joking back.
Yeah.
You fish or hunt or anything?
I fish.
You fish? Yeah, I like fishing too. Good Lord, lady, close enough, huh? Look how close that person is.
Yeah.
What kind of fishing you do?
I like to catch catfish, bass, crappie.
You like to catch them all. Do you keep the bass or do you let them go?
If they're big enough, I keep them.
Do you like catching them for fun? Or
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I love catching them. football fan?
Yeah.
I'm a huge Alabama football fan. You ever go to any of the games?
No, ain't been in a long time.
Oh, he's fast. You are so much faster.
I'm glad he wasn't right back there.
Oh!
I know I've been bad.
Oh my God, yeah, that would be bad. Man, I ain't seen. Man, your car's fast. Have you ever been in a car go that fast?
No.
No. Apparently that one's faster, so you're gonna go in another one that's faster than this one.
No.
Huh?
Well, that was pretty fast.
Well, that red one's faster than mine, so
Yeah.
when you get to ride in it, just a few minutes, you'll go faster than this one. Please, please. What's the retail on one of them things?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
More than you can afford, pal. Okay, we're gonna switch drivers now. We switch riders with you.
Yeah.
I'll come over there and get you out, okay?
All right.
You got that right, my God.
He carries so much more weight.
Now, you take him cars to the dry strip, he probably beat you, he probably outrun you.
Oh, he would. He would. I felt it. I seen him come by me.
Yeah.
It's strong, I promise you. It's very strong. Like 8 acres of freshly mowed garlic strong. It'll pin you right in the seat.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
What's your name? You're Bruce?
Yeah.
Bruce. I'm Justin. This thing probably rides smoother than that one. It looked kind of bumpy when you were going down the road. Those cars are pretty rigid, suspension-wise. So you into cars or hot rods or anything? You like this kind of stuff? I actually do drag racing as well outside of this. So.
Okay, Bruce. How was your experience in the car today?
It was great.
It was great. What did you expect it to be that fast?
Yeah.
You did expect it to be that fast? Wow. And we already know that the red one's faster than the yellow one. We don't have to brag on it. And do you recommend it to somebody else?
No.
No? You don't recommend it to somebody else?
Do you recommend somebody else come ride with you in the car?
Do you recommend that somebody else take a ride like you did?
Yeah.
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 Okay, well, I'm glad you enjoyed it, and hope you do good, and we'll be up praying for you, okay? Thank you.